Yeah, no.
Viewers, subscribers, just vibes here. Walk on people are hoping alright and I hoping doing okay. And if it's the first time here, sure subscribe now. Click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. So, my viewers, subscribers, multiple persons injured in a minibus crash along the Highway 2000 in Skeng. Also, my people, there has been multiple fatalities, casualties, and you know we have the video. So, if you're interested in watching the video, you can DM me on Instagram and I will send the video to you. You know the thing about my viewers, subscribers. Just imagine leaving your house this morning thinking that you'll make it back home to your family, and unfortunately you did not make it. Just think about it, and me imagine how the family of these persons who passed away in this fatal accident, how they're feeling right now, knowing that they saw their loved one this morning with thinking that they will make it back home, but unfortunately they didn't. But people, it's just a sad case, you know. And time we see them things here happen, and a man won't even understand. You see people, but you know, it really sad. Like, it really is unclear as to what really happened, what caused the accident. But I will keep you guys posted as to what really happened if there is more information out there. You know, it's unclear also as to how much fatalities, you know, my viewers, subscribers. Once there is more information out there, I'll let you guys know. I mean, there are persons who survived the accident, while there are multiple fatalities. It's still unclear as to how much at this point in time of viewers, subscribers, but I'll let you guys know once more information is out there. It's just a sad day again, and I imagine it could have been any one of us. You know, just imagine going to work this morning and something like this happened to you or your loved one. Like, it really and truly sad. And again, my condolence goes out to the family of the few, or as to who would have actually passed away during that accident. You know, it's a sad day, and it just rough my viewers, subscribers. By looking at the video, it was just genuine. Like, just imagine bodies all over the place. You can realize that the minibus was badly damaged. Body was all over the place, you know. Like, it just rough my viewers, subscribers, you know. And just imagine a scene of just pure blood, pure body. It just, no, viewers, subscribers. As I say, once there's more information out there, I'll let you guys know. But it's not a good look. Like, Janu, like, just by looking at the video, my viewers, subscribers, like, I can tell that the minibus was going at a speed that, Janu, like, you can tell that the person that was inside the vehicle was thrown out the moment the minibus crashed, and there were bodies all over the place, like people are bleeding, and you could also see passing by, like persons that were passing by stop and helping, and you know, it just pure chaos. The scene was just unbearable. Like, my viewers, subscribers, like, my people, like, no wish this on anybody at all. That's the reason why we have to pray each time we leave our house, and just hope say yo, we can make it out and in back alive, you know. Like, it's just sad that anybody or the persons who survived this accident, God was by their side, my people, because the way the minibus was badly damaged, I can tell that. Sad day, you know. Sad day, my viewers, subscribers, and as I said earlier, it has been reported that there has been multiple casualties, fatalities. You know, it's still unclear at this point in time, but God by the side of the persons who survived this crash, and I can tell that they will never forget this day, my viewers, subscribers. But comment what you think in the comment section below. If you have any information as to what really happened, you know, you might never know who this video might reach, you know, my people. But again, sad day. I hope everything alright, and my condolences, my viewers, subscribers. It's just unbearable. Like, viewers, subscribers, until next time, just vibes here. I'm out.